Hey guys, my name is xOctoManx and today I want to introduce my new script called Color Switcher, and this is mainly a script where you cycle through the main colors of a material and can use as much colors as you want. Also, you can set up an interval which is choosing the time in between the switching itself. It's pretty easy to set up. Just drag it onto any object with a mesh renderer component on it, and just open up over here on the right side the switch colors menu and choose as many colors as you want. I choose 2, not 20. Choose 2 because I want that sirens to be blue and white. So first of all, I choose a color number 1 and choose another color over here, which is white and blue, and the interval is 0.3 seconds. If you if I enter 1, then it will be 1 second in that, which is the interval between the color switching itself. Okay, so now I'm going to copy that component and go over to my other serene and paste the component values, going to that and choose white over here. And now when I start, it starts to loop between that, or switching the colors which I was giving them. So now you think, oh, that's too easy. I can also choose like 10 colors if I like to, or 15 or 20 or how many I want. And let me just fast do something in a bit less. You also can copy that color values however you like to. I go a bit back, might be pretty okay. Someone there, and white again, or would be more interesting if I do it like that. So now the same stuff will happen. It will cycle through everything. Once it's over here, it's going back to element 0, so the first color again, and the same interval for now. Let's test this one out. Now you can see in that interval, you can also see it in the game 1 here, in the game window, it's going through all colors I was choosing, and it's not taking anything. You can also say, okay, I want to speed this one up. Oops. So choosing 0.05, which is 0.05 seconds. And now you can see it's pretty fast. It's not fading, it's actually just switching through all that colors, as you can see over here in the material. And like that you can do a lot of effects, like, I don't know, building site stuff and so on. And as you have seen, this it's pretty easy to set up. Just drag it onto your component. And the cool thing about this one is sometimes you might have 5 materials on your component or on your game object or whatever, like one is for normal map, one is a blend shape or blending map, or I don't know. It doesn't matter because the script is cycling still through all elements, through all materials you might have there. So now I have on this one have a size of 5 materials, but the script don't care. It still goes through all materials and cycles through all of them. So no matter how your setup is, this is working. You can also use something crazy like using blue, red, green, yellow, green, yellow, and maybe, I don't know, black. And can also choose any interval you like. The smallest, I don't know, is crazy fast enough. You choose what you like. I can also do it in 1 second, so every color on this screen will now change in an interval of 1 second. As you can see, it's doing what it has to do. Doesn't matter the size of the materials I have there. So the most important one is you need to have a mesh renderer component on this one. A material is not really needed, even if I choose no material on here, so this one will be magenta. Even then, it will override the color and will still work, no matter if you use a material or not. So I'm going to use default again, or whichever. You can also use your own material. I just used a default one over here. Going back to 1. I can also drag a red component, a red color over here. It will still override and will completely ignore the main color. And this is the main color, which is going to change. You can't see this one here. Here you can see it. This is what's happening the whole time, and it's also a RGB value. The switch is, or the color is switching. Okay, that's it. What the script is doing, and you can hopefully soon can get this script in, including that demo scene with that little fire truck over here. Can get this one in the asset store of the Unity page on unity3d.com. Once it's there, I will show, or I will write down the link below in the description of the video. Okay, that's it pretty much. Thank you very much for watching this one, and see you later.